Hi there, it's Josh Goldback here, and today I'm going to take you through how to make a WooCommerce BOGO coupon. And specifically, it's a WooCommerce BOGO coupon that works with just a single product. So we're talking about a buy one, get one deal in the truest sense. Say if you buy one set of sunglasses, you want to get another one 50% off. So let's run with that as our deal. And I'm just in the back end of my demo site here. So let's add a coupon, and we're going to call this BOGO single. Now, I don't want to give a discount here because I'm actually using this BOGO deals feature in Advanced Coupons. Advanced Coupons is an extension for WooCommerce. It adds extra features to your coupons, your standard coupons, and that's what you see down the side here with all these extra little tabs. So advancedcouponplugin.com if you want to learn more about that tool. So in the BOGO feature, we basically have three different trigger and apply types. Now, buy one, get one basically relies on you buying something to get something. So the trigger is buy, and the get is your apply type. So that's the basic way that a BOGO coupon works. Now today we're just going to focus on these specific products, but I will link up some other videos in the show notes here. If you're watching this on YouTube, you can look in the description, and there'll be other links to other videos there for the different types. So specific type, let's go with the sunglasses. Whoops, sunglasses. And what I want to do is buy one pair of sunglasses, and I want to get another, let me just click add there. And I want to get another set of sunglasses, and I'm going to give a percentage discount on this one. You can do override price, you can do percentage discount, you can do a fixed discount. You can do override price to zero if you wanted to give a second pair for free. In this case, I'm going to do 50%. So let me just add that. And now the other thing you got to look at here is the additional settings. So whether you want this deal to be repeated more than once, or if it's only eligible to be given once in a cart. This is a notice that you can show customers when they've triggered a BOGO deal, but they haven't actually put the extra products into their cart. So the get part of their BOGO. You can actually give them a little message. So I might actually put a message here to say something like, you can get a second pair of sunglasses for 50%. Okay, so you can also add a button to this notice. So what you might actually do is go ahead and put the view sunglasses product, and you could let's go and find the sunglasses, and I'm going to grab the link from that and put it directly here. So when somebody clicks on that button, it takes them directly to that that page for that particular product. Now I'm going to click publish here, and we'll test it on the front end of the site. Okay, so I'm on the front end of the site here, and I'm going to just add my sunglasses product to the cart. Now if we go and visit the cart, and I'm going to enter my BOGO single coupon code. Now what we're expecting here is that we can see this message. So this is the message that I defined because I've triggered the get part of my deal by adding one of the sunglasses to the cart, but I haven't actually put in the get. Sorry, I've triggered the buy part of my deal because I've added the sunglasses to the cart. I haven't actually triggered the get part of my deal. So let's just up the quantity to 2 and see what happens. Now this should give us the discount of $45 because they were $90 each. And you'll see that it's now adjusted the total, so 135 in total, so that's 90 plus 45. So that's how you basically do a WooCommerce BOGO deal with a single product and show some nice messages and stuff like that to your customers so they can be guided through the process of how to actually add one of those products.